thing's heavy. Oh my god. Oh, it's so fucking heavy. Let's go. Apparently it opens this way. Dun, 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 dun. It's upside down. Well, it doesn't make it very easy to get out, does it now? Ow! Oh, yes! Giant variable transformer. Oh, look at the size of that fucker. Very, very good. Very good. Nice one. Oh, look, it's got an Australian plug. Fucking good shit. Right. Oh, nice. I'll tell you why I got that, because... Oh, because I keep blowing these fuckers up. I just blew another one up the other day. Cunt of a fucking thing. Cost me a fortune in these little fuckers. So, that versus that. Good shit. And that is going to go on my 72-inch grinder, which I will demonstrate. Is my homemade 72-inch grinder. Probably a bit hard to see. So move this over this way like this. There we go. That's her. And look, essential. You have to have a clean workspace, a nice clean bench. That's what you need. And as you see, I keep my shit spotless. Absolutely spotless. Look at it. Oh, isn't it beautiful? You could fucking eat off this if you could find somewhere to put your fucking plate. So anyway, this is what we're doing. This is our new transformer, new variable transformer. Sorry about the fucking jiggling around. I really need a fluid head friggin' tripod stand. So let's take off this stupid fucking thing here. Oh, come on, you poof. Gotcha. Right. Now, power off, up into here, and what happens is, let's go for a walk. So, this comes off into, where are we? Here we go. Right, so, this goes into here, like such. Alright, that's turned right down on there. That cord goes all the way around there, all fucking there we go. This is our full bridge rectifier, or as I like to call it, a full bridge rectum fryer. That's because if you fucking touch that, you're going to get fried. It's as simple as that. And here is our treadmill motor. I believe it's 180 volts. And had to make up a wooden drive wheel. It was just an absolute pain in the fucking ass. Okay, so let's see if this thing's going to work, shall we? Let's see. We'll zoom back on this. Woohoo! Oh, beautiful. Oh, nice. Nice, 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 nice. Good shit. Ah, that makes me pretty happy. Now, again, sorry to make you seasick. Let's get rid of the welding helmets. In case you're wondering why I got two welding helmets. One's for TIG and one's for arc or MIGging. MIG welding is sort of arc welding anyway. It is an arc. It's not a plasma. So now this on here, this on here. Such. There we go. Needs adjusting. Go. Let's try that. Where is... No, it's still going to come off. Where is my spanner? Okay, who stole my spanner? Who stole me? Which one of you fuckers stole my spanner? I know you stole... No, never mind, found it. See, if I didn't have such a beautifully clean workspace, I might not have been able to find that. Only because one of you bastards nicked it, that's why. I'm not stupid. Success. Beautiful.